And today we are back and I'm bringing you guys out another video. Since I just released the video Squid Dash about a map that I recently published, which you guys should definitely go download, link in the description, I thought I would make a video telling you how to actually download a map, because lots of people do not know how to do that. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go online to your browser. By the way, guys, sorry about the ugly mess. It gets really crazy when you're like me. But anyway, you're going to go to your browser. For me, it's Firefox, and you're going to search your map. So I'm going to search Planet Minecraft. Bang, I'll go to Planet Minecraft. Coming up right here. Planet Minecraft. Open Planet Minecraft. I'm logged in, so I can just click my name. I'm going to download my first map. Not my first map. This is my first map, but it's not that great. If you want to see what I can really do, download this map. Do this map. And we are going to just click on the map. For any map on Planet Minecraft, any map, just bring it to your download page, and it's going to bring me to Mediafire, where I uploaded it, so I can just click download. Your download is starting, not downloading, okay, so just wait for that, okay, save, and then that's just going to save up here for me. For you might just save it on your desktop. I can't do that. Like, it usually automatically goes to my download folder, so I'm just gonna wait for it to download. See you guys when it's finished downloading. Okay, guys, we're back, and there's no minute under it, so we have finished downloading it. So now I'm just gonna click on this, and then just drag it to the clear spot on my desktop. Set it down. Okay, there we go. So now we have Squid Dash right here. I downloaded it. So you're just going to take that to your desktop. Now, each map that you get, it's always going to be in a zip file. Usually, it's going to be in a zip file. There's multiple ways of doing this. The normal way that you do this is you right-click, extract all. Okay? I don't have to do that. I'm not sure why. I just go in the file and just but for you, just extract it. It should be fine. Okay, so now this can either be recycled. Once you have this is what you need. This is this can either be recycled in downlaod, or I'm just gonna leave it on my desktop right now. And now what you're gonna want to do is pull this, and you know what? Actually, click Windows and R at the same time, and then that's gonna open this little bar. It will be blank like this. You're gonna type percentage app data or data percentage, just like that, and then click .minecraft. Should be the top one. Sometimes it's like a couple down, but should be the top one. It's pretty easy to find anyway, but it should be the top one. Just double click, and then so here you can see all these things, and they're like resource packs. What are these things down here? But you're just gonna find saves. It should be the 5th from the top. Unless you have like any other things that you added on. But saves, pretty easy to find. It's always gonna be near the top. Okay, now these are all your worlds. Okay, now I wouldn't suggest touching these or fiddling with them I just don't, because that could mess up, that could like de-save your world. But then you're gonna download your map, for me, Squid Dash, and you're just gonna move to saves. Okay, now it's in saves, right? And now you can X out of this, and now like I already got a Minecraft open here, right? But that's not gonna work. You're gonna have to quit game, and then I'm just gonna, and you're gonna want to reload. You guys, okay? So now you're just gonna click on your single player where you downloaded the map. Now you're just gonna look for it because it may not be near the top even though it's the newest map. So you're just gonna start scrolling down. So guys, I did end up finding it near the top. I just moved it near the top, so it's easy. Now we can just click play. Okay, so this is my map. Now you have your map. You can click the buttons. Like I can click here, I can click here, I can click squid particles. I can click particles on my squid. Like that. No, I don't like white. I like all of them. Whoa, the leg is real. Let's just take this one off. And this one. This is just because I'm learning the world, right? That's my favorite particle. And as you can see, the particles will go around you. But yeah, so pretty fun map. I suggest you guys get it. Squid Dash. Go to Planet Minecraft, search Squid Dash, or search Geometry Dash, or search Gold Rush. You know how I'm spelled, right? And just go download the map. Please, guys. It was a lot of work. As you can see, I did it with a friend. Yes, we had lots of fun. It took a pretty long time. He did all the testing and level making. Like he just designed the levels. I put them into command blocks. I did all the command blocks and resource pack making. Once again, like the resource pack is, you don't actually have to download the resource pack. It's like implemented into the game. So as you can see, these little guys here, that's not an actual thing. It's blocks. That's so cool. So just videos that should be but guys, please go check out my map. Hope you guys like this tutorial. See you guys later.